In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase FPS in Dead by Daylight. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire more FPS when playing Dead by Daylight. So if you have low FPS and you want to get more, or if you already have a satisfying FPS but you want to go even higher, follow the instructions in this video. To start, for basic fixes, go into the options inside of the game, access the graphics tab, and in here, the things that I would pay the most attention to would be VSync and FPS limit. If you have an FPS limit set, your FPS will not go above that value. So sometimes you might have forgotten to change this and it is set to 60. If you have the option, go up to 120. Something else that I would recommend is to disable VSync. For most people, this option is best left off. However, if you notice that your FPS is way too inconsistent all over the place, then you can potentially benefit from having it on. But as they say right here, leaving this option off can improve performance. So if that's what you are aiming for, this is going to be the best solution. After this, you can change between full screen or windowed full screen. Usually there isn't going to be a huge difference in performance. However, I would not recommend setting it to windowed. It can hurt performance. Now, of course, you have the actual quality of the graphics. If you are willing to, you can set everything to low. This will give you by far the highest FPS possible, but the game can look very ugly if it is set to low. So what you might want to do is go through some of these options individually. You don't have to change these related to visibility, UI, and HUD because they won't play a big part in achieving higher frame rates. But when it comes to the actual quality of the game itself, then there is an impact. So make sure that you find a nice balance between the game looking pretty and you achieving high FPS. You can also lower the resolution if you are willing to. The game will look way more pixelated and it isn't going to look sharp, but it is one of the biggest contributing factors to get high FPS. Now, with all of this done inside of the game, you can also update the video drivers, so go to the NVIDIA website or the AMD website and download the drivers for your GPU, update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributable, and on the Windows settings, make sure that Dead by Daylight has high performance setup. So go to System, Display and Graphics, and you will find Dead by Daylight.exe in this list. It is going to appear as Easy Anti-Cheat Bootstrapper for whatever reason, but just set it to high performance. With this done, you can open the game and see if they took effect. I hope I was able to help you on how to increase FPS in Dead by Daylight. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.